program run by the World Bank. We have been first position for the last 2 years in the Kenya Climate Smart Agricultural Program run by the World Bank. We have again been 2 years best county running, and in the procurement and adherence to necessary public procurement regulatory authority, we have had 2 years running as the best county, just to mention a few. And having said that, I therefore want to take this opportunity to thank members of my government, both the cabinet and chief officers who have been running this government with me. But sometimes change is inevitable, and therefore today I wish to make the following changes in the county government of Nyeri regarding and focusing on smooth running of this government. In terms of CECs or ministers, I would want to mention and say the following. Dr. Kwai Wanjaria Daniel, who has been the CEC lands, will immediately move to be the new CEC in health. And Dr. Reshuffle Kamau, who I have a lot of gratitude with, has been working relentlessly to ensure that health, which is very, very close to my heart, has been running very well in Nyeri County, will take a 45-day leave to rest and recharge. Mr. Robert Thuo, who is the CEC Finance, will immediately take over the lands and physical planning in acting capacity. Ms. Margaret Macharia will take over public service and sanitation in acting capacity, while Waziri Beth, who I also greatly appreciate for a good work she has done in ensuring that the county public service is responsive to the public needs and is rendering service as so required, will also take a 45-day leave. In terms of chief officers, Adan Adin, who has been in trade and tourism and also cooperatives, will move immediately to health to take over from Mr. Newton Wambogo, who has worked also relentlessly and very, very committedly with Dr. Rachel. Mr. Newton Wambogo has expressed the need to seek greener pastures elsewhere and has therefore tendered his resignation, which I have gladly accepted, despite him having been a key component in my government. Mr. Mwangi Kamanja, who has served both as chief officer in water and has been chief officer in governor's office, will immediately move to gender, youth and social services, where he will work under CEC Esther Ndongo, while Mr. George Mwangi, who has been working as a newly appointed chief officer in gender, youth and social services, will immediately move to trade and cooperatives and tourism. All these changes are meant to enhance performance, and the changes will take place immediately.